So connecting with seniors is something I felt I needed to work on because I really rarely spoke to them ever in my life. So just getting to know them and have them participate in activities with me was a plus to me. A personal story would be when I used to work at a retirement home when I was in high school and I saw seniors enjoy using their activities and engaging with one another. My experience with Open Minds, Open Hearts is a fun and creative experience because I got to participate and supervise the event. I met with students all across Canada, so there were times when they would ask for help, and at that point, we could form a relationship and work with one another. I always made sure to best lead towards the seniors and helping them with activities or just giving them ideas on what to create in general. I think that the seniors got an experience that was fun and playful as any other person would have felt. All the seniors want to do is have conversations and spend time with today's youth. I think it helps enrich the lives of seniors by being able to exercise their brain while with the activities creating a sense of creativity and creating an excellent way of thinking. I thought they were angry at the fact that they had a dementia and I thought they weren't really able to have fun or kind of spend time with one another. I pretty much thought it was a disease, but that changed my mind with the Open Minds, Open Hearts experience.